Hey, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel Easy Bytes. It's me, Santosh here. So, if you would have seen my last recording, it was about how we, uh, you know, convert a Python program to Java. And we also learned what all the libraries we would like to learn about, how to get help about each library. And we went on, right? So now I hope you guys are now handy with VS Code, so you know how to use VS Code. So today let's move on to totally a different concept. Let's see how we can build a sample website without knowing the knowledge of HTML. How we can use the Copilot and generate the code. How we can come up with a sample website. Let's see that quickly. So now, as I said in my videos, right, earlier videos, we have to open a folder. It's always good that you have everything in an organized way. So you have to create a folder. So let me open a folder. I'll just create a new one here. Go to new, click on folder, sample website. Let me click on this, select the folder. Now your workspace will open up. Okay, you have to always check mark the trust the authors of the files. There should not be any virus files. So that's the reason this is just like a disclaimer. So now, so this is how the window looks like. There are no files here. I'll go to the agent mode. We were learning about the ask mode, right? I'll close this, close this. Let's go to the agent mode. It's already in the agent mode. So let's go to the agent mode. Sorry for that, guys. There was a slight delay. So I went to the agent mode. Now, first let me check if everything is working. Let's just mm, type hi. It will show you, hi, I'm GitHub Copilot. How can I help you with your code today? Okay, you don't need me to help with the code. I want you to write the code. First thing, whenever you're writing a prompt, you have to give a proper context, what you're trying to achieve, right? My goal, my goal today is, or you can always mention problem statement in a simple way. So problem statement, I I am not aware of website designing and I need your help to create a sample website. Create a sample website. Also, help me to understand how it's written. Okay, if you have some website in your mind, okay, like a Reddit or Google.com. Google.com does not a website, it's a search engine. You can go to Reddit, or I mean, like, if you want that website to look like yours, you want to capture something like that, right? I mean to say, you want a design of that looks like Reddit.com. You can mention that here. You can use the use the sample of Reddit. Can use the sample of Reddit website for looks and design. This I have Cloud Sonnet 4.5. 4.5 is good for everything. As I said earlier in my videos, GPD is all for statistics data. So let's use Cloud Sonnet 4.5. Push enter. So I'll put to create a Reddit style website and explain how it works. Let me create the necessary files for it itself. It's creating the necessary files for me. Let me put on mute. Just give me a few seconds. Let me grab a glass of water. Welcome, guys. You see the magic? Oh my God. I'll help you to create the Reddit style website and explain how it works. Let me create the necessary files for you. It has created the index.html, the structure of the style.css. CSS is cascading style script, and script.js file, the interactive functionality. How it works, HTML, the structure. Think of HTML, the skeleton, header, mains, side articles, key concepts. CSS like painting and decorating your house. Yes, CSS is used for styling. Colors used, JavaScript. Whenever you click something, if something works, that is JavaScript, nothing much. We have seen many websites. You put your username and password, click on sign in. Sign in, when you click backend, what happens behind scenes? Sign in, it's a function, it's a method where you would have written a program for that with username and password. It goes as a values for that method. The method would be called when you click on sign in. So JavaScripts are used to build those sign in buttons, and the interactive between those buttons, whatever is handled by JavaScript. You click on sign in, the method will call. It will take in the username and password. It will validate. It will ensure it passes all the rules and regulations, which in case if you would have set like uppercase, lowercase, and so on, and it will respond to you with the next home page. I just quickly explain to you what exactly that is. I mean, behind scenes, that was it. That's what it happens. So to view your website, what right click on the index.html and select open with live server. Cool, we'll do that. Would you like me to explain any specific part in the more detail or add more features? Let me click on this thumbs up symbol. I really was impressed with the response of this. As of now, I don't have anything. Let's check what it's been designed. Okay, here is the file, something it says keep. Whatever the files it has created, three files it has created. You want to keep all these three files, just click on keep. It kept. Until you hit keep, this will be highlighted all the time. So now index.html is nothing but it's the website to open. You know, if you want to open the website, all the code is written in index.html. And let me where it is, see where we have an option to open. Reveal in File Explorer. Let's see where it is written under the folder. I'll just double click on it here. You can open the website even in the VS Code itself. Check out, guys. This is the sample website. It's really cool, right? It's so cool. Check out the website. Not even we just took just 1 minute. Seriously, that's how the technology is growing. It itself created for me all the web pages inside the main website. It will not take you to anywhere because the code is not ready. It's just the sample one. Just built my first website. Any tips for the beginners? CSS grid was Flexbox, when to use which. Everything is done. Fraction of seconds. Great, outstanding. I can create a post like this. Now, you want to do them changes here. I will teach you in the next video. We'll keep the same website here. Let's keep this same website. I'll teach you how we can modify things. I am I am not aware of HTML like you guys. I'm a beginner. Let's think in that way. I don't know what exactly it is. Someone has asked me to create a website, or I wanted to create a website for my content. I don't know anything. I cannot go back and read. But once it is done everything, in meantime, parallelly, I will definitely read what how it has been developed. So as of now, the website is ready. Meet you guys in the next video. Please feel free to follow, subscribe, and like the videos. Do leave comments. Only then I can understand that you guys went through the video, you need some help, you put a comment, you want to know something, you want to learn something new which I am not aware of, or if you have something I want to change in my videos, modify some things, let me know, guys. I'm feel free to suggestions, open suggestions. Always do like, follow, subscribe to my channel, follow my videos from day one. You will understand, and let's shape our future in a better way. That's it I want. Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.